Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Betwinner Google Authenticator problem. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Betwinner account. To do this, you click on register. Next, you're going to click on full. Then you're going to enter all the required information. Then at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on your menu icon at the bottom right. Next, you're going to click on the setting icon at the top right. Then you're going to find out the security setting option. So you're just going to click on security setting. Next, you're going to scroll all the way down until the two-factor authentication icon that you're going to click on. Now you're going to find out install Google Authenticator. So you're just going to click on install Google Authenticator. You will be headed directly to the App Store where all you have to do is to download the Google Authenticator app and now to proceed to a linkage of your Google Authenticator directly to your wallet by entering the Google Authenticator code and click on confirm. Once this is done, this will completely fix your issues of Google Authenticator. And it's as simple as that.